everybody, it's vegan story time and we're going to be reading from Why Are You a Vegan and Other Wacky Verse for Kids. So what story shall we read? Let's read I'm Not Dinner, page 17. There we go. I'm not dinner, said the chicken to the boy. I am a person just like you, with a life I want to enjoy. I'm not dinner, said the chicken to the girl. I have feelings just like you. I want to see my life unfurl. I'm not dinner, said the chicken to the man. A short caged life is not for me. Don't want to end up in the pan. Please, missus, no, don't cook me in the pot. I have a right to life, you know. Your dinner I am not. I'm not dinner, said the bullock to the teacher. I live and breathe and feel, you see. Eating me is a crime against nature. I'm not dinner, said the bullock to the mother. Just leave me alone to eat my grass. Let me stay here with my brother. I'm not dinner, said the bullock to the doctor. My flesh is bad for your arteries. Try mushrooms, lentils, okra. Please, chef, no, don't roast me in the oven. Why can't I live my whole life out, in peace on earth like heaven? I'm not dinner, said the piglet to the mare. I don't deserve to turn on a spit for your village summer fare. I'm not dinner, said the piglet to the butcher. The suckling pig you try to sell should be suckling from his mother. I'm not dinner, said the piglet to the child. It's cruel to take me from my mum. Let me be happy, free and wild. Please, cook, no, don't fry me in the pan. Just let me live my life for me, like rescued piglets can. Okay, so we'll see you next time with another story from Why Are You a Vegan and Other Wacky Verse for Kids.